Struggling to find the perfect gift for your friend's birthday? Cash might seem impersonal, but a gift card can feel restrictive. Well, fear not, people of the internet, because Venmo might just have the answer to your gifting woes. That's right, Venmo, the social payment app we all know and love for splitting bills with roommates or catching up on that movie debt to your coworker, now has a built-in gift card feature. But with all things new and exciting, a question pops up: which gift cards can you actually send through Venmo? That's where we swoop in, trusty internet guides at your service. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Venmo gift cards, exploring which brands are on board, how to send them like a digital gifting pro, and some key things to keep in mind. So, grab your phone, settle in, and get ready to unleash your inner digital gift giver. The gift card goods on Venmo. All right, enough with the suspense. Let's get down to brass tacks. As of today, Venmo offers a pretty sweet selection of gift cards from popular brands across various categories. We're talking retail giants like Target, Amazon, and Sephora for your shopping sprees. Craving a caffeine fix? Starbucks is on the list to fuel those late-night study sessions or early morning commutes. Foodies rejoice. Chipotle and DoorDash gift cards are here to satisfy those rumbling tummies. Need a ride? Uber has you covered. But that's not all. The list keeps growing, with new brands being added all the time. So, if your friend is obsessed with the latest fitness craze, there might be a SoulCycle gift card in their future, fingers crossed. How to be a Venmo gift card gifting guru. Now that you know what kind of gift cards you can send, let's talk about how to actually send them. Spoiler alert, it's shockingly easy. Open the Venmo app and tap the familiar Pay or Request button. Choose your lucky recipient, the friend whose day you're about to brighten. Enter the amount you want to gift. Here's the cool part: unlike traditional gift cards with preloaded amounts, you get to choose the exact value you want to send through Venmo. How awesome is that? This is where the magic happens. Tap the little gift icon that just appeared next to the amount box. Voila! You're presented with a dazzling array of gift card options. Browse the categories or use the search bar to find the perfect brand for your friend. Once you've chosen your champion, you can even personalize it with a fun animated design and a heartfelt message. Double-check everything looks good, then tap Purchase Gift Card and boom! Your digital gift is on its way. Venmo gift card do's and don'ts. Now, before you go on a digital gifting spree, there are a few things to keep in mind. Gift card availability. While the selection is impressive, it's not exhaustive. Just like their app updates, Venmo might occasionally limit gift card availability due to security reasons or other factors. So, it's always a good idea to have a backup plan in case your desired brand isn't showing. Friend factor. Remember, Venmo gift cards are linked to the recipient's Venmo account. So, make sure your friend has an active Venmo account to receive and use the gift. Wrapping up, digitally, of course. With Venmo gift cards, gifting just got a whole lot more convenient and personal. No more scrambling for wrapping paper or last-minute store runs. With a few taps on your phone, you can send a thoughtful gift that's sure to put a smile on your friend's face. So, there you have it. The exciting world of Venmo gift cards, unwrapped for your viewing pleasure. We hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge to become a digital gifting extraordinaire. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.